This is Geometry, Unit 10, Day 1 homework from page 798. For question number 3, this is meeting up at a point, so we know that this is a pyramid. Since it's a pyramid, we notice that the base has 5 sides. So we would call it a pentagonal pyramid. Number 4, it's a polyhedron also because all the sides are made up of polygons. We see that there's rectangles between the two bases. Each base is a 6-sided figure, so that's a hexagon. So it's a hexagonal prism. And then number 5, this is not a polyhedron because of the half cylinder that's on top. It's curved, it's rounded. That's not made of a polygon. So not a polyhedron. Number 6. Here we have 2 triangles with the rectangles in between, so we know that this is a prism. And because the bases are made out of triangles, we know it's a triangular prism. The book asked if it was a rectangular prism, and no, it's not a rectangular prism. It's a triangular prism because you have to look at the bases, which in this case are the triangles. They're the 2 shapes that are the same with rectangles in between them. This next shape is a triangular pyramid. Some even call it a tetrahedron. This has 4 sides. So we call that 4 faces. It has 3, 4, 5, 6 edges and 4 vertices. And we can test this by saying faces plus vertices equals edges plus 2. 4 plus 4 equals 6 plus 2. 8 equals 8. Next we have a square pyramid. We have the 4 plus the base, so we're going to call that 5 faces. 4 plus the 1 vertices. We have the 4 plus the 4, so that is 8 edges. So 5 plus 5 equals 8 plus 2. So the formula holds up. Here for number 17, we have triangles for the bases with rectangles in between. That's a triangular prism. It has the bases, which are the 2 faces, plus 3 more, gives us 5 faces. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges. and 6 vertices. So 5 plus 6 equals 9 plus 2. That's the formula. Working with faces plus vertices equals the edges plus 2. For number 18, again we have a triangular prism. For the triangular prism, we have the 2 bases plus the 3 other sides, so that's 5 faces. For the vertices, we have 3 and 3, so we have 6 vertices. 3 and 3 edges gives us 6, plus 3 more is 9 edges. So the 5 plus the 6 equals the 9 plus the 2. The faces plus vertices equals the edges plus 2. 11 equals 11. That worked out. For number 19, we have 2 bases with the rectangles in between. The bases are hexagons. So it's a hexagonal prism. We have 2 bases. Each base has 6 sides. So there are 6 rectangles plus the 2 bases gives us 8 faces. The 8 vertices and the 8 vertices gives us 16. The 8 and the 8 plus the 8 more edges gives us 24. Six and 6 plus the 6 more gives us 18. 18 edges. There's only 6 sides, so it is 6 and 6 makes 12 vertices. So to check our formula, the formula helped me recognize that this is supposed to be 8 plus 12 equals 18 plus 2. 20 equals 20. For number 20, this base, which is the same as in the back, has 6 sides to it, so you could call that a hexagon. And it would be considered a prism because there are rectangles in between each part. There are 6 and 6 for the edges. 7, 8, 9, there's 6 here and 6 there. It gives us 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 edges. There were the 6 vertices and the 6 vertices. And for the faces, 6 vertices, 6 faces, 6 of the rectangles, plus the 2 extra. So it's always faces plus vertices equals edges plus 2.